Hello all. Now I am taking one more problem on if-else ladder. See here, design a flowchart which takes an alphabet, that is lowercase letter, as an input from the user. Then it analyzes whether the entered alphabet is vowel or consonant. So let us see how to write algorithm for this problem. So now see, to solve this problem, only one input, that is enter a alphabet. First declare a variable like a. Then read this variable as character. Then check whether the entered number is vowel or not. So if a is equals to, what are the vowels we are having? A, E, I, O, U. So check all conditions with A, E, I, O, U. So whether the entered number that is read by the A, that value is equals to A, the first vowel. If it is equals to A, then print vowel. Otherwise, check one more condition, that is the next vowel E. If the entered character is equals to E, then it says it is a vowel. If the entered character is not E, then we can go with another condition, that is checks with O. So if it is equals to O, then print it is vowel. Otherwise, the entered character is not A, E, O, then we need to check with I. So if it is I, print vowel. So if the entered character is not A, E, O, I, then we need to check one more condition like the entered character is equals to U. If it is U, then print it as vowel. Print it as vowel. Otherwise, simply it prints the remaining characters other than A, E, I, O, U, then say the character is consonant. So this is the algorithm to solve this particular problem, to check whether the entered number is vowel or not. Now with the help of this algorithm, we can easily design flowchart for this problem. So now first declare our variable with the help of declaration symbol. So declare a variable like A, which is of type string. Then read the input for the declared variable with the help of input symbol. Enter the variable name what I declared before, that is A. After taking input from the user, then we need to check the condition whether the entered vowel is false in any of the vowels or not. So take decision symbol here, then say the expression like A is equals to the first vowel, that is A. If it is equals to A, then we can print output as vowel. Otherwise, we need to take one more condition, then it may be false into the next character, that is E. If the entered vowel is matched with this condition, means it is A, then this is also a vowel. So print the output as vowel. If the entered number is not E, then we can go with another condition checking. Then this condition is checking with the next vowel, that is I. If the entered character is matched with this condition, then it displays the output as vowel. If the entered character is not A, E, I, then we go for checking one more condition, that is whether it matched with O or not. If it is matched with O, then display the output as vowel. If the entered character is not A, E, I, O, then we need to check one more condition, that is if it is matched with another vowel or not, that is U. If the entered character is matched with U, then it says it is also a vowel. See here, in these all conditions, it is checked with whether the entered character is A, E, I, O, U. If the character is fall with any one of these vowels, then those are displayed as vowel. Otherwise, it's simply displayed as the entered character is consonant. Now see here, this is the entire flowchart for our problem. First, declare a variable with the type of string, then take input from the user and the entered character is checked for whether it is vowel or not. So if it is matched with any one of these conditions, then it displays it as vowel. Otherwise, it simply displays it as consonant. So now, to check the correctness of this flowchart, run with the step by step. Now it prompts for input from the user. So enter any character which is of lowercase, because the problem says only lowercase. So suppose here I am entering the letter A. So press enter. Then it checks or it matches with the first condition and it displayed as vowel. So now we are moving to check with second test case. So now here I am entering another character like E. So now I am checked with E. The first condition is false and it moves with second condition. This condition is matched with entered character. So it gives vowel. So now we have to check one more test case. So suppose now I may use the input other than the vowel. So let's say T. So now check. First it compares with the A vowel. So it is not matched and then it is moved to second condition. So now the entered vowel T is checked with E. Then it is also not matched. So now the entered character is checked with I. So it is also not matched with I. So now it is checked with the next vowel, that is O. This is also not matched with T. So now it moves to check with U. So it is also not matched with U. So all the vowels are failed to match of T. So it prints as output consonant. So now it ends the process. This is the flowchart for this problem. Thank you.